Good morning, students. Today we are starting our new book, and this book is related to India. And from this book, we are going to start with the first chapter, that is Challenges of Nation Building. Students, as in our first book, we have studied about the contemporary world politics from 1945 to till date. In the same way, in this book, we will study about India from 1947 to till date. You know that India got independence on 15th August 1947. In this first chapter, we will study about how, under what circumstances India got independence. Students, on the midnight of 14th and 15th August 1957, India, when on the way of getting independence, on that midnight, our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru addressed the country. A special session of Constituent Assembly was held at that night, and in that session Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru addressed what he has spoken, that we Indians are getting independence after a big struggle for many years, and his speech is known as Tryst with Destiny. The speech given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in the special session of Constituent Assembly, which was held on the midnight of 14th and 15th August 1947, that speech of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is known as Tryst with Destiny. Students, achieving of independence was not very easy, and the path of India after independence was also not easy. When India was born, it was a birth for India. When India was born on 15th August 1947, at that time the circumstances were not good. There were communal riots, partition was there, displacement was there, violence was there. It means one side we were celebrating independence, and on the other hand we were facing displacement, violence and partition. So in the first chapter we will study about the nation building. In this picture you can see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is addressing the Constituent Assembly on the midnight of 14th and 15th August 1947. And these two pictures are showing how the difficult situation was there when India got independence. Why the situation was difficult, that we will study now. When India got independence, at that time India has to face three major challenges. Number one is nation building. Number two is establishment of democracy. And number three, development and well-being of entire society. Nation. You know, in 11th class we have studied about the word nation. Nation means feeling of oneness. at that time there was partition, there was displacement of people from one part to another part of the country. So at that time, to bring unity in country was the major challenge before India. And in this first chapter we will study about this first challenge, that is nation building. Second challenge before India was establishment of democracy. Students, you must know that before 1947 India was under the control of Britishers, so no democracy was there. And before the arrival of Britishers, there was no democracy in India. There was the rule of kings, monarchy was there. So India has not tasted democracy till now, and many countries of the world, they were having democracy. So the second challenge before India was to establish democracy in India, to give rights to the people. This we will study in the second chapter of this book. Third challenge before India was development and well-being of the entire society. Students, you know, India, earlier time India was called Golden Bird, but Britishers, they have looted the resources of India. Now there was poverty, there was unemployment in primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. We were too much backward. So the third challenge of India after independence was development of the country as well as well-being of all sections of the people living in the society. Living in India, India is the country of diversity. So different types of people are living in India. So the development of all for their welfare, to provide them education, to provide them food, to provide them houses, all these things, basic needs should be provided to them. These were the challenge before India. So students, there were three challenges before India at the time of independence. What were they? Number one, nation building. Number two, to establish democracy. And number three, development. Not only the development, but the welfare of all the people living in India. So students, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will start with the first challenge faced by India, that is nation building. Till then, goodbye.